Mastering English phrases. Stay on top of it. Hello and welcome, dear viewers. Today's video is dedicated to helping you understand and use the English phrase, stay on top of it, effectively. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, this phrase is a handy addition to your English vocabulary. So, let's dive in and explore what it means and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. Stay on top of it is an idiomatic expression in English. An idiom is a phrase where the words together have a meaning that is different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. To stay on top of it means to remain in control of a situation by paying attention to it, managing it well, and keeping up with all the necessary tasks or changes. This phrase is often used in work or study environments, but can be applicable in various aspects of life. Let's look at some examples to better understand how to use stay on top of it in different contexts. 1. In a work environment. The project is quite challenging, but as long as you stay on top of it, we'll meet the deadline. 2. In education. There are a lot of assignments this semester, so it's important to stay on top of your studies. 3. In personal life. I have a busy schedule, but I stay on top of it by planning my week in advance. These examples show that the phrase can be used to describe managing tasks, responsibilities, or even personal schedules effectively. When learning a new phrase, it's easy to make mistakes. Here are some common errors to avoid with stay on top of it. 1. Don't use it literally. Remember, it's an idiomatic expression. It doesn't mean to physically stay on top of something. 2. Context matters. Use this phrase in situations where managing, controlling, or keeping up with something is involved. I hope this video has helped you understand and feel confident using the phrase, stay on top of it. Remember, mastering a language involves learning its idioms and expressions, which are just as important as grammar and vocabulary. Keep practicing, and soon you'll find yourself using English more naturally and effectively. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.